Has your Outlook suddenly stopped working, emails are disappearing, or keep getting an error every time you try to open your mailbox? Well, then this is a very good chance your PST file has corrupted. A PST file is basically the heart of your Outlook. It stores every single email, contact, calendar entry, and attachment to your computer. So, when it gets corrupted, everything inside is at the risk. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to repair your corrupt PST file in Outlook. And yes, if you need more help, then feel free to dial in the numbers on the screen to get one-on-one assistance from our expert team. Now, let's begin with the steps. For the first step, you should open the control panel and choose the large icon from the category drop-down menu. Next, look for the mail option and click on it. After that, click on the data file button. On the open pop-up, you will see the PST file. You need to click on Open File Location. Now, select the corrupted PST file and copy the address. What you need to do next is close all tabs and then open File Explorer. After that, navigate to Local Disk C and click on the Program Files option. Next, go ahead and open the Microsoft Office folder. On the open window, click on the root folder. Go ahead and click on the Office 16 folder. After that, scroll down until you see the Scan PST option and then click on it. Now, a pop-up will open. What you need to do is paste the copied file address in the search bar and then click on Browse. Paste the same address again in the search bar, then select the corrupt PST file and click on Open. Go ahead and click on the Start button. Once that's done, select the Repair option and finally the process will be complete.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.